Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing turkey or chicken salad, whichever you prefer. So we're starting off with a chicken breast, which is a rotisserie chicken breast. I'm going to chop that up, and you can chop it however you want to chop it, whatever size you want, but I kind of like a little bit smaller chunks, so I'm going to cut that up into the smaller chunks. Here we go. We're going to try and get this done and have this ready for lunch today. So you can use either chicken or turkey. It's really a great way to use up some of that leftover turkey. You could also just cut it up like this and put it in little Ziploc bags and freeze it for the future whenever you want to make something with it. But today we decided to make chicken salad. So I realized later on that I probably should have used a little bit bigger of a bowl just to mix all the ingredients together. Now, you can choose whatever ingredients that you enjoy. I've just put in, I think it was 3 celery stalks and a small red onion, or about 1/3 of a cup, and a cup of grapes that I sliced in half. Grapes are great in this, so is apple. Pineapple's really good in this. So choose whatever you enjoy. And I'm just going to give it a quick mix. And then we're going to get some walnuts. Walnuts are great in this. Pecans are really good in it. I just didn't happen to have any pecans, so I went with walnuts, and I just chopped the walnuts up. They don't have to be super fine, but remember, it depends on what you're going to do with it. We're going to have sandwiches with it, so I want to make sure that I can put that on the bun and not have too big chunks in there. And if you don't like walnuts, leave those out. It's however you enjoy it. Then we're going to dive into some mayonnaise. And I put about a good amount of mayonnaise in there. I'd say about 3/4 of a cup, and a little salt and pepper, and then stir that up. And at this point, you can go ahead and make your sandwiches, or you can refrigerate it so that all those flavors really come together and make a nice, rich flavor with that. Now you can use this for a salad, or you can use it for sandwiches. I've also, when I'm going to use it for a salad, is I garnish it with boiled eggs. I'll peel a boiled egg and I cut it in quarters. And I also will do the same thing with tomatoes if I'm going to make a salad with it. But if I'm just making a sandwich with it, this is about as much as I do to it. So like I said, it's however you like it, that's what you do with it. But this bowl of chicken salad lasted us for a couple of days, and we really enjoyed it. And like I said, you can choose whatever fruit that you like to make it your own way. Hey, listen guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you'd like. I enjoy all your feedback and all your comments, and I do read every one of them. I appreciate all of that information. So, like I said, if you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, and listen, you guys have a wonderful day. We're going to slice this in half, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And there we go. And this sandwich was delicious. One of our very favorites. All right. We'll see you again next time. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks again for watching.